take a look at the front door. We are here in room 222. Looks about the same as most room. The maximum room rate is $7.99 per night. We come over here and have an open concept closet with some drawers. We do have robes at this property. We'll turn around to see our bathroom with a sliding door. Inside we have kind of a teal-ish tile that I actually really like. We have a mirror with the lights all around. There are a couple of buttons that you can press for the dim, but we'll turn that back on. I do like it to be on. More teal or turquoise or whatever color accents here with our products. Also for our soap as well, I believe. Isn't that a luxury brand or something? We have gold trim there. Some towels. And then you have to step up to go to our shower. Some teal, what do you call them? Teal tiles. Then we turn around and then we see our shower head looks like that. Keep on turning around, then we'll see outside where our little mini bar is and our coffee Keurig. And then we have tea that looks like that. In here, what do we have? Some storage, and then a lot more storage in there. We have a cool monkey head vodka right there. The prices for everything is on that QR code. A little bit of books, maybe for decoration, maybe you can read it. Advertising some properties right there, or some products right there, I should say. We come into the room. Looks pretty spacious, especially with that corner. As we saw on the map, it does look like there's like a little point. We have two of these beds right here, a good sized TV, and then the mini fridge is under there. One bedside table. We got a little treat of some, what's that, some nuts or something. We have one of those nice charger alarms. And probably the best part of the room is this cove right here. A nice little desk. One is above, one is below. And then we have a chair with one of those ottomans or whatever you call it, and a plant, a nice plant. We have a view of the parking lot. Can't see any water from here. But folks, this is our room.